What's kicking, peeps? So I've got 500, well, over 500 subscribers now, which is pretty dope. So thank you, all you peeps out there. But also, I got an email from the YouTube team, and I was like, oh no, what is this about? And then they were congratulating me for getting 500 subscribers. I was like, I didn't know they did that. I was like, what? I felt so, like, important. But nonetheless, some great things are happening. I asked for just money for my birthday, because my birthday was last week. I asked for money for my birthday from everybody, and I was able to get enough money to buy a KitchenAid mixer, which is something I've always wanted, and it was like a big bundle. It was a miracle that I got it for the price that I did. It was like $300. For like the newer edition. It's the KitchenAid Professional 5 Plus, or 5 Pro. What is it? I think it's Plus Pro, one of the two. And it's like the freestanding one where you like wind it up and the bowl like stands up on the. I'd have to show you. I'll make a video and show you. But the cool thing about that is now I'm legit gonna be making like cakes, cupcakes. I'm gonna be trying to make some breads and stuff like challah bread. I'm excited about that. And my recipe for Iona's biscuit, which that's my middle name, Iona, so I just named it after myself because it tastes like the world's best biscuit, but it's like a big loaf of bread. So I'm gonna be making videos of me trying out random recipes for the first time. Like, I'm really excited to try this recipe. It's microwave chocolate cake, which you wouldn't need to use a mixer for that, but I'm excited to try that one, actually. But yeah, I hope to make some breads and desserts since I got that new mixer. So that's exciting. Update on Fortnite, the new season. I think we have like until June when the season like expires. I don't know, but I'm all ready to like level tier 89. I think I'm so close to completing the battle pass, and my brother was like, dang, you play too much. I'm like, well, no, I'm just doing a lot of challenges. Yeah, I'm just doing a lot of challenges. So that's actually what I'm about to play right now. And this hat is a new hat that I bought off of Fanatics.com, the MLB website. It was just for St. Patrick's Day, though. It's the Chicago Cubs. It says Cubs on one side, and on the back it says Chicago. And it was Kelly Green St. Patrick's Cubs hat. And it's so dope. I don't think they have these anymore. It's just for St. Patrick's Day. And yeah, so there's just a real quick update on life, and a thank you to all of you peeps out there for subscribing. I have a little girl that watches my YouTube videos, and she told me several months ago, I think it was like at the end of last year, she told me, she was like, you need to step up your YouTube content. And I was like, I mean, she was, younger, and I was like, dang, you're right. I need to do that. She said, I'm believing that you can get 1 million subscribers within a year. I'm like, well, it'd be a miracle. But I'm glad to be up to 500 subscribers. So, like always, I don't have my other hand. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Click the like button. Share my videos to other people. Yeah, subscribe. So, I'm going to play some Fortnite before bed. So, peace out. God bless you, peeps.